see what he brings in that midfield. He's very much a player that can create opportunities on the attack as we are underway from Statesboro, Georgia. From Kleegstrow, near post. Nice ball in there by Kleegstrow, and it's still an opportunity here for One Knoxville. The shot, and that's going to be smothered by Hara. Are able to see that all the way through as it was going for the near post. Disappointing loss for One Knoxville against Greenville as they try to bounce back. This ball played in, headed up, headed back off the volley, and this is going to be stopped once again by Hara. Ball really pinballing around. No true chance there for One Knoxville. Nimbard down the line, plus.espn.com. Waldeck at midfield. Castro. He'll try from long range, dipping, stopped. No one around Hara to get the rebound. The most difficult save yet for Pablo Hara. Rizal's able to win the ball back, and he's fouled from behind. You can see the arms grabbing the waist of Kelly Rizal, and we'll have our first yellow card handed out. Was the captain, Illich. We're gonna have a yellow card handed out here to Pedro Fonseca. Makoto. Here's Akale. Plays it in, nice ball into Boschwa. Boschwa leaping up and over Jordan Skelton. Boschwa battling two defenders. Another yellow card coming, this time to Knutson. 25-year-old will put the ball down. 28th appearance, looking for his 11th goal. Akale. Bennett, oh, he gets it by Lewis. What an opening goal in stoppage time for Tormenta. Mukwelle Akale with his 11th goal of the year.
Check this out.
Left-footed ball, beautiful strike, bending to that top corner. The man that they signed halfway through last season, and he has paid off dividends this year. Now one goal behind the team's leading scorer, Keziah Sterling. All tied up at 0. And you have the foul by Kleegstrow. Mukwelle Akale makes One Knoxville pay. Trying to fight their way back once again. One Knoxville looking to do the same as they sit 4 points behind that 6th and final spot, which Greenville holds. Castro playing out wide. Chance here on the left. Are once again able to see all this. Georgia Tormenta coming off a win against the top team in the league, North Carolina, last week in stoppage time. Meanwhile, One Knoxville looking to rebound after a 1-0 loss against Greenville. There's Rosales. Castro. Kleegstrow. Castro on the end line. Looping, knotted down, but wide. It's Jordan Skelton that came up. Hard challenge, and then Keziah Sterling hits it off his own teammate in Nimbard, as we'll have a yellow card handed out to Nimbard. Waldeck out wide. Played in. Near post, denied by Hara. Great effort right there by Frank Ross. Frank Grosso unable. Sterling. Koto inside. Nice ball forward. Oh, just wide. Bleekstro. Deflected, and what a save by Hara. That was deflected by Knudsen. Now we'll have a yellow card handed out to Kelly Rosales. Boschwa looking to put it away. Boschwa denied. Big save there by Sean Lewis. Boschwa here tees it up. And Lewis gets it with his left hand. Murphy. Stabbed away. Bleekstro. Challenge. Sterling will be handed a yellow card. Drop back. And there is the final whistle. South Georgia Tormenta holds on.